Hello everyone, welcome back to our Algo Challenge series. Today we come up with another common interview question, another Algo challenge, which is find the element that appears once in a list or array. So let's have a detailed discussion with the example. So here is an example for our task. So we have a list A here. So it has several elements 10, 20, 30 and 40. The 40 appears only once. All 10, 20, 30 appears 3 times in the list. So we need to get this 40 using an algorithm. Let's see how we can take that one. So as per the first step, we can remove duplicates by adding this list into a set. Then it will become as 10, 20, 30, 40. Only these 4 elements will remain. All other duplicates will go. So the next step, we take this set which has no duplicates and get the sum and multiply by 3 and reduce this the summation of A. So then the final answer will take as 2 times 40 because all 3 times 10, 20, 30 will cut off and only 3 into 40 minus 140 means 2 into 40. So we can take this answer and divide by 2 and then get the single appearance element as 40. Then we can return that. So let's see how we can code using Python for this algorithm. I will create my Python script single element .python and my method find single element. So input should be a list or array. So first I will add the print statement with the test case. Find single element. I will give the same array we discussed 30, 40. Then again this 10, 20, 30 will be duplicated 3 times. So we need to find this 40 using this method. So for the first step, we need to remove the duplicates values from this original list. For that, we can use the set. So we can insert this list values into the set, then it will remove the duplicates and add it into the list 2. So let's try return this list 2. What will happen? Yeah, it print without any duplicates, only the single elements printed. So 10, 20, 30, 40. So here we have removed the duplicates. So next step, we need to put them into the equation. So my value is equals to, we need to get the summation of this list 2 and multiply it by 3 and then reduce the summation of original list. So this gives 2 times 40. So the final answer comes by dividing this by 2. So at the end you can return the value. So let's try print this one, try run this one. Yes, it gives the 40 as the answer, so as we expected. So this is the easiest way to find the single appearance element in a list. So there are some other ways using bitwise operations and some other complex methods. So today we are not going to talk other methods. So that is it for the today's episode. Let's meet with another episode soon. Thank you.